Minibike Yard Sale. You guys just have to run the mini bike down the street, so we told them do it. Maybe you'll get a ticket, who knows. Anyway, it is January 25th, 2014, and it is 10:56 in the morning. I think it's like 2 horsepower. Ah, it's a 3 horsepower. Ooh, it's gone. See, 3-stage exhaust works okay. Go horseman. Anyway, we still got a crowd here. Minibike Paul made it out here. He's here. James C's here, looking for something. Taco Bill's still here. Where'd the mini bike go? There he is. Oh, he's letting off. He's going slow. Oh, there's a car coming. Hopefully not a policeman. Look at that, almost stopped at the stop sign. Cool. Hey, a beanie for a helmet. That's really safe. Anyway, that's good enough for that. Guess we're okay here. Still got people standing around watching the racing mini bikes up and down the street that aren't racing. Anyway, that's it for this video. Shorty.